stuff like this, my dad would be proud. My dad's my mechanic. Well, no, I'm not kidding, but you get the gist. So you got to start learning how to do stuff on your own. I respect it. It makes 100% sense. 100%. All this water, bro. Push down. Damn it. Head slipping. This stuff is slipping, bro. There we go. Ah. Take the top off. Bada boom. Didn't say it. I just mouthed it. Oh, whoa. Loosen these bad boys up. Grab it. LeBron. What's up, brother? Just getting it done right now. Out of twisted. We ain't gonna have time for me to stitch today. We need to just pump out a couple of them real quick. Go, bro.
Can this come off?
Damn, that just hit my head.
Can this guard come off? Make it easier?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. I gotta take this off first. Top out. Perk set, want one? Good little arm workout. Just a whole lot of twisting. You see the bracelet? Shout out to the noobs. Member of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated. Press so nice, then it twice. You know it. You feel me? Yeah. Roll, roll, roll. Gotta put some work in. You see the shirt? Shout out Truck City Chrome. TruckCityChrome.com for all your needs and desires when it comes to trucking accessories. You see the back of it? Truck City Chrome. Quick little commercial inside of the vlog. Now we take them off. All off, bam. See them right there. Woo! Take it easy, my boy. Hook. No. Major flinch. Need a good grip on this motherfucker. Don't try this at home, kids. Hook. 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 Ooh, shoot! If I fall, this should be a viral moment. But the thing about it, I can choose if that's supposed to be in the video or not. It'll be behind the scenes, but Rocky right there, recording, trying to be sneaky. We got you, my boy. I need a good grip on this shit, bro. Ah! This is what them guns look like, my boy. That bracket back. Old. Out with the old. Sort of kind of dusty. In with the new. My dad's gonna be proud of me, ladies and gentlemen. a little snug in here. Come on, bro. You said what? Ugh, make sure you're in there. Okay. All the way down. What's up, brother?
2 lanes, 2 lanes.
2 lanes. Need this back, my boy. It's an easy job. I told my dad I was gonna do this tomorrow because I didn't want to do it right now. He said, I can't say what he said. He said, you gonna do that right now, boy. I said, all right, my boy. Good. Dang, this is actually easy. I can start doing stuff myself. Tighten them back up, simple like that. Much, right? Let's go back for reference. Scratch my hand up. Battle wounds. I need some water. Getting sweaty in today, losing some weight. No cap. Anyways, what should we talk about? The NBA playoffs going on right now. I'm very, very disappointed. LeBron, the greatest of all times, by the way. You want to start an argument? Say something in the comments about Michael Jordan being the greatest. We're gonna argue. LeBron all day. But they're down 3-0. It's not looking good at all. You know, it's okay though. LeBron's still the greatest of all time. But my all-time favorite player, the Windy City Assassin, D Rose. No D Rose disrespect will ever be tolerated. Ever! You heard? You feel me? Tighten it up. Tighten up, son.
Working on
Changing air filters.
okay.
Yes, sir.
What mileage you got on them now?
196,000. Coming up on 200 real quick. Real fast. You gonna sneak out soon? Go down there.
You know it,
What school is that?
no, it's not. It's the Jack and Jill.
Okay.
Yeah, Kim and Gavin, they're my neighbors, so
Okay.
they've been deep in it.
That's real nice. That's what was wrong with Kareem.
What?
The dust buildup. What is?
That's some weird shit.
Yeah.
That's normally something that happens in industrial motors, you know, like
Yes, sir.
excavators and the bulldozer. It depends on where you run, how often you got to change it.
Yes, sir. About the Black Crow, they all want to see it.
Yeah. Got the wings, man.
Yeah, last one. Don't do me like this. Don't be stubborn. Washer is stuck, bro. Hold on one second. That was all company drivers, so you know they got fired after doing that stuff. Make sure they're nice and tight. You don't want this coming loose on the road. Huh? Nope, that ain't mine, my boy. Strip that mother. Just like that, we're done. We got it all done. Hold on. Zip tie back. Blew the motor on that thing. Boom! Then I would have ran. Y'all would have been in so much trouble. Y'all gonna have to come find me. You got a little knife on you, my boy? These are your tools you will need. I have a 2023, so it might be different for yours. Changed out the old, new. What they say, get it on! And we got it done, like that. Now we can make some content. We're in the garage right now. Now we can make some content. video, you know, quick little tutorial, educational information, whatever you want to call it. Video, got it done. Stay on top of your truck. Not just the trucks, any vehicle you have in life, stay on top of it. Maintenance is very important to keep you going. That way you're not on the side of the road dealing with other issues that can occur deterred. So as always, take care of your property and what's yours in life, and bam. Shout out to Truck City, of course, Truck City Chrome. Like I said, for all your needs, desires, Truck City Chrome, and we're out like that.